An organelle that's common in all cells is the mitochondrion. Mitochondria produce ATP. They're involved with the breakdown of energy-rich organic substances that are taken in by the cell, for instance pyruvates and fatty acids, and what they do is they break these components down and store them as energy in the form of ATP. And when we talk about oxidative processes that break down components and produce ATP in mitochondria, we refer to that as being cellular respiration. Have a look at a mitochondrion in this model. They're represented as these elongated green structures. It's a double membrane-bound organelle, although it's not really obvious in this model. The outer membrane is highly permeable to most things in the cell, for example water and ions. The inner membrane is not so permeable to all those elements, and the inner membrane invaginates to form long parallel stacks of membranous components called cristae that run perpendicular to the long axis of the mitochondria. The mitochondrial matrix contains mitochondrial DNA and RNA, and also mitochondrial ribosomes are housed within the matrix of the mitochondrion. This is an image or electron micrograph through a mitochondrion. In fact, there's two here, but in the top one, the large circular structure you see, the outer membrane of the mitochondria and the inner cristae of the mitochondrion. These inner cristae form parallel plates, and that form is typical of mitochondria that produce proteins, whereas in mitochondria that produce steroids, these cristae adopt a tubular form.